Welcome back for another Gala Games price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my breakout targets, since at the time of this recording Gala Games is giving us a massive breakout to the upper side. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Gala Games is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also seen a breakout above this descending trend line that I have been having here on the charts. And you can see that since we have seen the breakout to the upper side, this is now confirming that we are seeing a change in the trend that we have been having on the charts. And there are high chances that we might continue seeing this upward momentum, continue gearing up, and break above significant areas of resistances here to the upper side. And the next key area of resistance that I'm keeping my eyes on is at around the $0.02616 mark, where if Gala Games is able to manage to break above it, we can watch out for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up. Then watch out for a break above this significant high at around the $0.02897 mark, because a break above that, then we can easily see Gala Games get above the $0.03 mark. Gala Games has also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, and zooming out here on the charts to give you my Elliot wave analysis since the 10th of June, when we had this massive crash over here, giving us a low at around the $0.01809 mark. We started a very nice recovery to the upside, where I now believe that we have peaked in the formation of our wave 1 to the upper side. So we can term this as a first wave, giving us a high at around the $0.02898 mark. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area. And there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave. And soon, in case this upward momentum continues, then we might start that impulsive wave in the formation of that wave 3 before we can expect a breakdown in the formation of that wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5. And to show you that the second wave has done the minimum that we expected it to do, so for the target area, I came up with it by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.618, and that is between the $0.02482 mark and the $0.02225 mark, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And in case we continue seeing a reaction of the target area break above significant areas of resistances and significant highs, then we can be able to put in place the high for that third wave to the upper side, and giving you minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I get a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.03947 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect that third wave to the upper side to do. So let's continue keeping our eyes on these short-term movement that you are seeing here on the chart. Watch out for a break above significant highs and significant areas of resistances. And to also give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis on the Gala Games chart, from the December lows, we picked in a 5-wave structure, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.06423 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we saw a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, and there are high chances that we have bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and Gala Games on the long term is ready for a massive pump in the formation of this wave 3, where we can expect Gala Games to give us a break above the $0.09 mark in the formation of that wave 3. And as long as we continue holding above the low that we made at around the $0.018 mark, there are high chances that we are going to see that impulse in the formation of that wave 3 and a breakdown move giving us a reset of the low that we made on the 10th of June. Then that will be increasing the chances of getting a new bear market low here on the Gala Games chart. So let's continue watching out for those movements here on the charts, and also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI. We are trading at around the 65 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.